Mixed case palletizing is the ability to take multiple different SKUs and build a dense and stable pallet. Traditional automation to solve mixed case palletizing has been giant ASRS solutions, so think major footprints in your warehouse, that are creating a perfect sequence of boxes that fit the Jenga puzzle upstream. So when they come down the conveyors to the palletization area, they can build that pallet that's dense and stable. Well, that takes major infrastructure, major cost. The labor challenges, turnover is 50 to 100%. People don't want these jobs and they're risky jobs, right? So all of these are pain points that contribute to the desire to automate mixed case palletizing. We're now solving it downstream, which means we can have a low footprint, real small solution like we see behind me, and low cost. ABB was the right partner for Jacobi because one, they've got a global footprint and they're a well-known entity in the industry of robotic arms. And two, with the recent acquisition by SoftBank, kind of signals to us a need for AI software solutions. Compared to traditional mixed case palletizing solutions, the Jacobi solution takes up far less square footage in a building, right? So it can go into greenfield or brownfield. This particular software can recognize any of the case flows from simple single SKU to multi-SKU to fully random to store friendly to stop friendly. This allows us to build extremely dense and stable pallets. And it's using 3D cameras upstream to understand the dimensions of the boxes coming in. The stack software then figures out how to build the Jenga puzzle because it's looking at the stacks as it places every box. In simple terms, the Jacobi OmniPalletizer solution has three components. The first is the Jacobi Studio. Jacobi Studio lets us test our design in simulation for a customer to understand what the UPH rate or throughput rate is going to be, to understand how dense of a pallet we're going to build, and to make sure we can maximize 100% stability. And then it runs the robot to build stacks that are between 70 and 90% density with 100% stability. So customers are seeing the ability to, one, automate a very difficult manual process. They're being able to do that at the UPH rates or the unit per hour rates that they expect. They can do that over a multi-shift operation. It's dealing with their labor challenges, and it is giving them the solutions that they're looking for with a great ROI. What we see happening over the next year is scale really starting to take off. And because the market is huge, we see hundreds, if not thousands of these deployed in the next year or two.